Hey, thanks for stopping by, Mike. That's Mike Fox over at TruGreen. Mike was kind enough to drop by 5 bags of fescue seeds for me today. Well, hello viewers. So this is the last mowing day of the season, I believe, for 2019. Rocky, he always joins us, and one of the reasons he joins us is bloodhounds are very alpha, and his lawn is his space. Anything that enters his space becomes his to control. I also suspect there's a noise frequency of my lawnmower that bothers his ears.
Hey Rocky, how you doing, buddy? Are you helping Daddy mow today? Yep, it's the last day of the mowing season, buddy.
While I'm mowing along and I look over and I see this spider crawling along the top of the ground beside me. I stop and take a look. Oh man, he is large, hairy, creepy. Well, the princess is out helping us today, running the leaf blower and giving us some instructions. So enough distractions, let's back up and hook up to this aerator so that I can make the second pass across my lawn with the mower deck lower 1/4 inch and the aerator pulled behind. So we simply back up to my homemade machine here, hook it up. This machine is made out of an old rotary hoe, old piece of farm equipment. It's not perfect, but it does an okay job of aerating the soil. It's actually too dry right now, so it goes from being too wet and having too much weight on these spikes to being too dry. Well, I've got all the weight on right now. It's very dry. And even with all the weight on, it's still not penetrating very well. So I may have to wait till it rains again before I do the final aeration and seeding. But we'll take a run across it today, see how far we get, see what it looks like. So having a farm background, I recognize the importance of a good seed bed and maintaining plant growth and health. I've let my yard go. I've sort of strayed away from the process of keeping the right fertilizer at the right time of the year, the right pre-emergence treatments for the weeds to keep them in check, as well as the grubs and worms and such. So we're going to do a better job of that with the help of TruGreen this year. So come along for the journey. One of the reasons I had Mike bring by today this seed is because I knew he would bring me seed that did not have additional weed seed in the mix. You have to be careful when you go to a local farm store. You can pick up seed cheap, yes, but you will get extra weed seed that you don't want. You can also bring weed seed into your lawn if you bring in hay straw to cover some newly seeded areas. Sometimes that can bring in unwanted seed varieties and can turn into some ugly weeds. I think this fescue mix that Mike brought today is going to do well, grow well in our area. So we'll have to get on this another day when we've had some rain. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching the Junkyard Tailgate channel. Good day.